Today we are making a Christmas keychain with Christmas colors. So you will need your scissors, your pony beads, you're going to need some cord and a key ring. I'm using silk cord, but you can use the cord of your choice. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our key ring and we're going to fold the cord in half and place the cord in the middle of the key ring, just like this. You're making a lark's head knot. So you're going to place the loop inside of the ring and then pull the cord from the other side through the loop. So see the loop? You're going to take that cord and just pull it from the inside, just like that. And then you're going to pull down on it, and that is going to make your knot. I recommend taking a piece of tape and securing your keyring down on your surface wherever you're working. This will hold your project in place so it doesn't go everywhere. Separate your cords, and we're going to start on the left side. It's important to note here that I am using Christmas colors, but you can use any kind of colors that you like. So what I'm doing is I'm placing 3 of the pony beads on the left-hand side of the cord, and then I'm taking the right side of the cord and placing it through, pulling on the ends just like that, pulling, and we're going to tighten and pull it all the way up. And we're going to do this for every row. So it's just going to be 3 pony beads. And like I said, I'm using red, green, and white, but you can use whatever colors that you'd like. We're gonna go ahead and continue that same process, placing 3 pony beads on the left side and taking the cord on the right side and pulling it up. I'm going to have a total of 8 rows. I'm going to do 8 rows of 3 pony beads. It's also important to note that I'm using approximately 3 feet of the silk cord. I'm now going to tie my project off. I'm going to tie a knot on both sides of the cord. I decided to move the camera over so you could see a little bit better I'm tying a knot on both sides of the cord. Once I have those knots made, I'm going to make another knot at the very bottom. And then I'm going to use nail polish or glue to secure that knot. I'm going to trim up my ends and make them even where the cord is down here. After that, I'm going to take my glue or nail polish just so the ends don't fray. After I do that, I am done with the project. I hope you found value in this video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this project. I thank you for watching, and I will see you at the next one. Bye.